darling, I hope you well. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I hope you well. And I hope you are well. If not, I wish that everything goes well with you. So nothing fancy, I'm just gonna show you. I hope you like it. So yeah, let's see what I have in store for us in this video. Let's get to it. Okay love, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you so much, but I have to leave you so I can see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. See you, bye.